Model, 2016 Mercedes Vito 114 BlueTEC long wheelbase, full 12 months MOT Euro 6 no VAT silver. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 197625. MOT, the 28th of February 2026. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651 136 HPB. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is below average with some wear and tear. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, air-con, cruise control, 12 months MOT. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.